How is Ripple Wall installed? The following video segment will demonstrate how Ripple Wall is to be installed.
Ripple Wall is a modular system which can be extended in any direction to suit most spaces. It's easy to install and can be fixed to almost any wall or ceiling. Your Ripple kit will contain the following: Ripple tile, shadow tile, edging extrusions, inner extrusions, outer extrusions, and spacer for accurate placement. Before you begin, measure your space appropriately and find structural studs for installation. Mark and drill the holes in your extrusions to match your measurements. Place the first end of the edging extrusion in the desired position and attach it to the wall with screws. Fit the bottom inner extrusion at the correct height, flush with the end of your edging extrusion. Use the spacer to ensure consistent height between the inner extrusions. Continue installing upwards, making sure each extrusion is facing the same way, into the grid. Fit the final inner extrusion, but make sure the flange is facing downwards or opposite to all the other extrusions. Place the first outer extrusion in the correct orientation. To achieve your ripple, make sure you alternate the orientation of the outer extrusions when placing them both next to and underneath each other. You will notice that all the channels are aligned, but the grooves should not. Once all outer extrusions have been placed, fit the second end of edging extrusions against the ends of the erected wall frame. Now your wall is ready for the shadow tiles. Your shadow tiles should always meet behind the concave ripple tile in order to hide the join. Be sure to place the shadow tiles in the channel shown and not the groove for the ripple tiles. When placed correctly, ripple tiles alternate in curvature, with a convex tile always followed by a concave in both directions. With a wide variety of finishes available, such as wood, color, aluminum, polyresin, and Vario Eco resin, Ripple Wall provides an exciting element to any space.
What is the fire rating for Ripple Wall? Ripple Wall materials have been tested for flammability and smoke test with the ASTM E8403 standard, and Vario Eco resin was tested by the NFPA. The results were the following. Vario Eco resin received a Class A rating. Aluminum finishes also received a Class A rating. Wood veneer received a Class B rating, and colored laminate also received a Class B rating. What are the acoustic properties of Ripple Wall? Ripple Wall does not have the same strong absorptive properties as woven wall, but it does carry some acoustical value due to its texture. The texture and angles of Ripple Wall diffuse or scatter sound, decreasing reverberation time relative to a flat wall surface. Where is Ripple Wall manufactured? Materials for Ripple Wall are ordered from various vendors and are then manufactured at our factory in Salt Lake City. Can Ripple Wall be cut by 3-form to fit to my exact wall or ceiling dimensions? Since Ripple Wall is a modular system, it can fit to any dimension to the nearest tile size. Can Ripple Wall be fabricated in the field? Yes, Ripple Wall can be fabricated in the field, but it's not recommended because cutting individual tiles and parts can be time-consuming, and it's best to fit Ripple Wall to the space and then trim around it if necessary.